The third product on this list is the GARDENA BP-50. This next unit offers quick, clean cuts through all types of vegetation. It features an angled cutting head and a 3/4 of an inch maximum cut, making it ideal for cutting flowers, twigs, and branches. This pruner can cut up to 1.5 inches in diameter. Also, its angled cutting head allows easy access to even the most minor branches, twigs, and general trimming around the house. We also appreciate that the forged bottom blade and the stainless steel upper blade are easy to replace when they become dull, ensuring a longer lifespan for your pruner. Its adjustable blade tension helps you maintain the pressure at its highest level, so that you can use it for a more extended period without any manual interference from your side. Moreover, the dual tungsten steel blade is more robust and stays sharp longer. What's more, it features a clever design that ensures the blades move past one another when cutting branches, ensuring smooth cutting and protecting your hands from injury. Whether making a fresh bouquet or simply cutting back a few shrubs, this pruner will provide superior results every time. Its pros are, its damping system is well designed, so you avoid unpleasant vibrations in your hand when using it. It has hardened steel blades that cuts cleanly, and its tungsten coating is rust resistant and helps the blades keep their edge longer. However, its limited length and handle are not suitable for users with larger hands. The GARDENA BP-50 is a heavy-duty bypass pruner that is both lightweight and ergonomic. It is designed to provide years of reliable performance.